In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download Instagram highlights to your camera roll. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram. Then go to your profile or to someone's user's profile, and then just tap add a highlight. Unfortunately, there is no feature on Instagram that allows us to save this highlight directly to our device. However, we can use simple trick. So just open up highlight and then just take a screenshot. To do that, you need to quickly press power button and volume up button at the same time. Open up highlight and then press it, just like that. That will take a screenshot. We can open it up, and if we would like to edit it, we can do so. Let's say I would like to crop it, just like that. Just drag it in that way. To save the changes, tap at done and then save to photos. That will save these photos, this photo to our camera roll. Here we can check that. However, if you would like to save video highlight to your camera roll, you obviously can't take a screenshot, but you can record your screen. To do that, first off, go to settings, then control center, and then make sure that screen recording has added to included controls. If it is not added there, scroll down and add more controls, search for screen recording, and then tap at the plus sign next to it to add it to included controls. After that, we'll be able to start screen recording from our control center. Here it is. We can just tap on it, and after a 3 seconds countdown, it will start recording our screen. Then we can go to Instagram, and we can start playing video highlight. Just play it till the end, and after that, tap right here to stop recording. Screen recording video has been saved to our photos. If we go to photos right here, we can find it, and then we need to edit it for a bit. To do that, tap at edit, and first off, I recommend you to trim it from the start, just like that, and from the end, just drag it left or right. Okay, and then also we can crop it a bit. To do that, tap right here at that sign, and in the same way drag it from the top and from the bottom. To apply the changes, tap at done and then save video. As you can see, we have just successfully saved video highlight to our camera roll. That's how you can easily save photo and video Instagram highlights to your photos gallery.